Welcome to my channel, my name is Little Boy and today I'm gonna share with you how to balance the Sony a7 III on Ronin SC using the lens 16-35 f2.8. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know every single time that I post a new video if cinematography, editing and Final Cut Pro is something that you're into. If you're probably watching these videos because you have a 16-35mm f2.8 and you wonder how to balance on a Ronin SC. I know I did the same mistake. I would say I was very stressed. I put a lot of time and I was like researching what would be the best way to balance because we have this very expensive lens and this body we want to use in a little setup like the Ronin SC. Let's do it. Make sure that you have all the accessories for the Ronin SC, and I'm just gonna use an extra clip that I have here with some weights attached just so I can have a little extra weight so I can calibrate properly later. Mount the base first in the camera and after you're gonna add the plate. But make sure to attach the plate in the second hole just so we can have some extra space and some flexibility to bring the Sony all the way back to compensate the weight of the 16mm. And we're gonna bring the Sony all the way to the left so we don't have the risk to touch the eyepiece in the motor. That's why we're gonna have to attach this weight on the right side to compensate the camera all the way to the left. Add the weight with the amount that's needed for your camera and do any adjustments necessary so your camera is properly balanced. After that you can do the calibration from your phone, and if you have any questions or issues, follow the tutorials on your app. If you learned something today, leave a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. And this is just a little setup, a little tutorial for you. If you'd like to keep learning and improving and bring your editing skills to the next level, I have a video right here for you. I'm sure that you're gonna like it. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next video.